Hi, my name is Jane Brown and I'm the Sage Intacct manager over at CompuData. Today I'm going to be demoing how the revenue management module can be used by destination marketing organizations in order to automate the RevRec process for their annual memberships. If you're ever interested in learning a little bit more about Intacct, you can come out to our blog at compudata.com/blog. To start, I'm going to come out to my home screen in Intacct and I'm going to navigate to the order entry module. The order entry module is where I'm going to live for the majority of this demo, and it's where I can do things like build out my revenue recognition templates and then invoice my partners who are paying for annual memberships. So the first thing we'll do is come out to order entry, setup, and revenue recognition templates. We're going to be focusing on our monthly straight line annual period template. So we'll take a look at this very briefly. In Intacct, I have the ability to create RevRec templates and then apply those RevRec templates at the time of invoicing. So in this case, I've created a template that's straight line and it's set up to recognize revenue monthly and at the end of a period or at the end of a month. So what we'll do now is imagine that we are invoicing one of our partners who's paying for an annual membership. Again, we can do that via our order entry module. We can come in and create a membership invoice. So I'll add an invoice here and we'll imagine that a hotel, for example, will say the Golden Horizon Resort is paying for an annual membership to be a part of our visit organization. We'll come down to the entries section of our membership invoice and we'll say they're purchasing what we call a silver membership. We'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and tag to some other dimensions down here. And what's very important for this is number one, establishing our price here. So let's say that the membership they're paying for is $20,000. And then also establishing the start and end date of our revenue recognition schedule. So if we want to use today's date as our start date, and we can use a year out as our end date, and we'll go ahead and post this membership invoice. So if we come back into our $20,000 invoice, we'll take a quick look at the posting details here, and we'll see that the debit for our invoice is to accounts receivable, and the credit is to our deferred revenue account. What the system has done since I've assigned it a RevRec template with a start and end date is it's created a revenue recognition schedule. We can view this schedule from right here. So we'll see here, if I expand this, that the system has taken this 20 grand and it's spread the revenue out across 12 months since I established a start date of 9/1/2023 and an end date of August 31st, 2024. So when I'm ready to go ahead and recognize revenue for a particular month, let's say the month of September, I can come into order entry, manage revenue schedules, and I can say I'm ready to post revenue from a schedule. And we'll imagine that it's the end of September here. I can apply my filters and I can come in and post revenue from a schedule. Now the invoice I just created was for the Golden Horizon Resort, but you'll see I've got a variety of invoices out here for other customers that have revenue recognition schedules. And I could post all of these at once at the end of a period. I also have the option to set up automatic posting so that I'm not having to come into the revenue schedules each month and post manually. It's really an organizational decision. But what I'll do in this case is just select my Golden Horizon Resort revenue for 9/30/2023 for the $1,600. I'll go ahead and post it. And now my revenue for that particular month is posted. I can also review that revenue here by coming into my revenue recognition journal and taking a look at the journal here. And we can see that what's happened is it's moved $1,600 out of deferred revenue and it's recognized that revenue in membership fees. What this does is creates more efficiencies for your organization. Instead of having to post that revenue recognition journal each month and create a new journal each month, you're able to establish that RevRec schedule at the time of creating the invoice.